Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add friends in Dragon City. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now first things first, if you don't have the app, just simply download it via the Play Store or App Store. And then, once you already have the app, just simply click on it. Now please do make sure that your Dragon City is or has already been linked to your Facebook account. So you'll just have to do is just simply sharing those user ID that you have. So let's go ahead and try to connect our Dragon City with our Facebook account. All right, so this is where all your Facebook friends who play Dragon City will show. You can also invite players that did not play yet. So just go to Settings and go to Community. You can visit any of the social media accounts for you to go ahead and invite the player. This is where you need to make sure that your account is linked to your Facebook. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add friends in Dragon City. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.